Meaning of Elizabeth David.
Elizabeth David.
Elizabeth David.
Elizabeth David.
Elizabeth David. Elizabeth David, 1913 to 1992, was a British food writer who had a major influence on the post-World War II culinary scene in Britain. She was renowned for promoting simple, unadorned cooking using fresh, high-quality ingredients and encouraging people to embrace Mediterranean cuisine. Her writing style was known for its elegance, wit, and meticulous attention to detail. David's books, which include a book of Mediterranean food and French provincial cooking, continue to be influential among home cooks and professional chefs alike.